Good morning student. Today we will discuss about adolescence. Adolescence, it is a growing period from childhood to maturity. Adolescence is a growing period from childhood to maturity. The child become mature. That is adolescence. It is start with puberty and continue till maturity is achieved. Usually it is from 13 to 19 years. Okay, adolescence, it is from 13 to 19 years of age. Adolescence, it is derived from the Latin word adolescence, means grow to maturity. Adolescence, it is a growing period from childhood to maturity. It is a period through which a growing persons make a transitional from childhood to maturity. That is, the child become mature. It start with puberty and continue till maturity is achieved. That is 13 to 19 years. Adolescence, it is also known as teen age. Adolescence, in this period, rapid change take place. There will be the physical, mental, social, emotional change take place. Okay, in adolescence, a rapid change take place. That is in physical change, mental change, social change, emotional change, etc. And the balance between physical change and mental change is missing. Okay, the balance between physical and mental development is lacking. Therefore, it is so critical age. The child should be provided with a proper guideline. At this stage, at adolescence, the child has knowledge. He has knowledge, but due to lack of experience, he don't know what is good and what is bad. So it is a very critical period for both child and the parents. Okay, this stressful period is very difficult for an individual as well as family. Adolescent change. Adolescence. What are the adolescent changes take place? First, physical. Okay, physical change. Physical change, there is a rapid physical change take place during adolescence. Puberty, there is a rapid change happen. Puberty brings remarkable sex difference which change the shape of the body. There will be the breast development, muscular body, muscle change, bones become hard. Okay, change in the voice, mustache, pimples, acne over the skin, etc. This type of physical change take place in adolescence. Therefore, for proper growth and development, the child should take a proper diet. He should do heavy physical workout. He should wear suitable clothes. He should live in a healthy environment, etc. for a healthy growth and development. Next is psychological change. Psychological change. As compared to physical change, psychological change is at leisure pace. Okay? It is slow. Psychological change. At this stage, the child does not know what is good and what is bad due to lack of experience. Though the intelligence is developing, okay? His intelligence, his IQ level is developing, but due to lack of practical knowledge, there is lack of practical knowledge. He have less practical knowledge. At this stage, the adolescents hide a mistake. He become overconfident. Okay, he make a mistake and hide it. Teenagers need logical explanations for his logical explanations. He need moral value, positive behavior. The child should be provided with positive behavior from the family. He should have good friend. He should use proper use of expense, etc. Emotional change. Emotional change, emotion like hate, anger, aggressive, violent. Adolescents at this state, the adolescents have aggressive behavior. He is unable to control his behavior. He is aggressive, violent. His emotions are uncontrolled. Teenagers have aggressive attitude. Their moral characters development habit. Okay, adolescents in this period, they need morals and character development habit. They need a proper guidance, spiritual guidance, proper attentions, time, understanding, family needs, etc. Okay, adolescents, they have aggressive emotion. They are unable to control their emotion. Next is social change. At this stage, the child give more importance. At this stage, the child give more importance to his friend as compared to family members. He loved to be with the friend of his age. His loyalty towards his group members, towards his friend is more as compared to the family. Therefore, he need a good friend. The family should act as a friend. He should understand the needs of a persons. He should be guide social qualities, etc. These are the some adolescent changes which take place during adolescence: physical, mental, social, emotional. Next is, what are the problem of adolescence? Adolescents face many problems. Problem of adolescence. First problem is aggressive and violent behavior. Aggressive and violent behaviors. Adolescents have aggressive behaviors. Okay, adolescents has aggressive behaviors. They often become violent very fast. They are unable to control their aggressive. They become irritated very fast when the work is not of their interest. Okay, they are unable to control their aggressiveness. When something is not according to their interest, they become violent, aggressive very fast. Overconfidence. Overconfident and high mistake. Adolescents are overconfident. Adolescents, teenagers are often overconfident, and through their intelligence, they make a mistake and also be fool, also hide their mistake. Friends give importance. Friends give importance. Adolescents give more importance to his friend rather than his family members. He loved the company of his friend and enjoy the same group. Sometimes the bad friend with antisocial habit they try to follow. Therefore, the adolescent teenagers should have a good friend. They should live in a group of good friends. Wastage of time. Wastage of time. Adolescents do a wastage of time in useless things like gossiping, talking, watching televisions, listening music, playing game, using Facebook, etc. Wastage of time. Deflected. Adolescents sometimes deflected towards drugs and adolescents, teenagers, they want to do new things. They want to do new things. Therefore, sometimes they are reflected towards the drug smoking. Often, if they have bad company of friends or due to tension, stress, they are reflected towards the drugs. Like they start doing, smoking, taking alcohol, etc. Wrong sexual. Adolescents, teenagers have wrong sexual desire. Wrong sexual desire in teenagers. Sometimes they commit mistake. They commit sexual relationship and attain a wrong means like rape, etc. They have wrong sexual desire. Attention towards opposite sex. Attention towards opposite sex. Teenagers has attained more importance, more attention towards the opposite sex. Teenagers in this stage are affected towards the opposite sex. They have a lot of desire to interact with the others. Lack of concentration. Lack of concentration. Teenagers have lack of concentration. They are unable to concentrate on a study. Sometimes, if they are fail, if they are fail or lose their interest, then they lost their interest. If the result is not of their interest, if their result is not of their satisfaction, they lost their interest. Neglect family. Neglect. Teenagers neglect their family. They give more importance to their friend. They listen to their friend rather than of the family. That is, teenagers do a lavish expense. They waste money on useless things like in gym, bodybuilding, makeup, costly clothes, jewelry, fast food, etc. They do the wastage of money. Beauty. Teenagers are beauty conscious. Teenagers are beauty conscious. They are more conscious on the beauty, body, conscious about the body, figures, their structure, size, shape, etc. Next is depression. At this stage, adolescents have more depressions. Adolescents have more depressions, have very strong and uncontrolled emotions by which they are in depression, they are in stress, etc. These are the some problem of the adolescence. Next is management. How we can manage the adolescence problems, okay, and management of adolescence problem. Management of adolescence problem. How we can manage adolescence problem? First is knowledge. Adolescent problem. Adolescent problem at this first is adolescence. It is a delicate period. Therefore, they need proper guidance. They need proper counseling, modifications of their behaviors, modification of their energy, etc. Proper knowledge. Proper knowledge of adolescence proper knowledge of adolescent psychology. Parents, teachers, schools, they should have proper knowledge of adolescent psychology. They should understand the problem of the teenager. They should understand the problem of the adolescents and solve, and they must be solved, by which it helps to reduce their stress, tension, etc. The teachers, parents, coaches, etc. should understand the problem and solve their problem, give solution for their problem. They must, parents, teachers, coaches, they must act as a friend, and they must have good coordinations with them. They must have each others to solve the problem as earliest as in the best possible, providing healthy adolescents should be provide healthy environment, because adolescents at this stage various development take place. There is a development of body, size, structures, weight, height, mental development, social, emotional, etc. Various development take place. Therefore, the adolescents should be provided healthy environment for proper growth and development of their body. They should for the proper growth and development. Proper sex education. Sex. At this stage, many changes take place. Therefore, the adolescents should be provide knowledge about the sex education. Okay. At this stage, sex different. At this stage, adolescents must be made aware about this change in a systematic way. They must be properly guided to tackle these sex problems and solve their problems, and their problems must be made clear. It must be clear. Corrections and checking of mistake. Correction and checking of mistake. Adolescents mistake should be checked time to time. The problem of the adolescents should be checked and the correction should be made. The teenager must be given some liberty. They must be given some liberty to take their own decisions. Okay, we must give him some power, liberty, so that they can take their own decisions. And the teachers, and in case if they commit mistake, then proper guidance should be provided. Their correction should be made politely and sympathetically rather than instead of beating, blaming or giving punishment. Give some liberty and guide them properly. If they make mistakes, solve them properly. Okay, don't be etc. Proper use of time. Proper use of time. Adolescents have a lot of time, therefore they should be guided how to use their time. Teenagers have a lot of energy and needs a good program to channelize in a proper way, and participating in physical activities such as sports, adventurous activities, etc. 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 are good to channelize their energy. Mode of education. Mode of education. We should give education, we should give knowledge to the adolescent, but it should be in a simple and easy way for better understanding. The mode of education should be very interesting, so that okay, the mode of giving knowledge, the mode of teaching, giving knowledge, it should be interesting, it should be provided in an easy way and make the education interesting, enjoyable. Sufficient opportunity must be provided toward vocational educations. Education should be related to future-oriented, future professions, academic, etc. Development. Development of moral values. The moral values should be developed in our adolescence. Okay, sometimes children lost their moral characteristic. This depends upon the parents, teachers, and guardian to develop moral value in a child, in them, and check their immoral characters. They should be properly taught about the cultures, traditions, customs, and follow them sincerely. Okay, social circle should be kept up to the limit. Okay, they should be teach about the moral value. Spiritual guideline. Spiritual guidance should be provided, because at this stage adolescents show less interest in spiritual idea. Therefore, they should be guided properly about the religions and secular idea, and they should be provide active environment which have to provide spiritual guidance. The destructive idea of mind can be controlled through religious thought, friendly attitude. The teachers, parents, etc. should act as a friendly attitude, because adolescents, they love the company of friend. Therefore, the parents, teachers should act as a friend rather than strict, disciplined and rigid parents. The attitude towards the teenagers should be more close. Instead of making gap between them, they should act as a friend, so that they can understand the problem of the adolescents, independent idea and liberty. liberty. The adolescents should be given freedom to take their own decisions, and if they make a mistake, the correction should be done. Okay, we should give him some liberty to take his own decisions. They also have independent idea which can be followed with some liberty under a proper check. Give liberty to take their decision and do a proper check if they mistake. These are the management technique of adolescence problem. Adolescence, it is a growing period. It is a transactional period from puberty to maturity. Okay, adolescence, it is a growing period which start with puberty and continue till maturity is attained. It is also known as teenage. It is between 13 to 19. Adolescence, it is very dangerous state because due to unbalance development between physical and mental development. There is unbalanced physical and mental development. The person has knowledge, but due to lack of experience, lack of practical experience, they make a mistake. Okay, and various change take place like physical change, mental, social, emotional, etc. And these are the management technique to solve the problem. Okay, we have a proper knowledge of adolescent psychology, have a proper knowledge of adolescent's problem, provide healthy environment, give them knowledge about the sex education, correction if they make a mistake, do a corrections, better using of their time, teach them how to use the time. Mode of education should be simple, easy, excitement. Okay, it should be simple, it should be easy. Development moral value in a child, spiritual guidance, friendly attitude, etc.